Your kitchen might be the most powerful garden you're not using yet. Imagine cutting fresh basil for your pasta, plucking mint for tea, or harvesting spicy chilies right from your countertop. No backyard, no experience, no expensive setup. Just a few pots, sunlight, and simple tricks that most people completely ignore. Here's the truth. Store-bought herbs die fast, lose flavor, and cost more over time. But when you grow them at home, they grow faster, taste better, and keep producing again and again. And the best part? Some of these plants regrow from scraps you would normally throw away. In this video, you'll discover the easiest kitchen plants anyone can grow, even if you've killed plants before. Stay until the end because one of these grows in just 7 days. 1. Basil, the fast grower. Basil is one of the easiest and most rewarding kitchen plants you can grow at home. It thrives in warm conditions and loves sunlight, so placing it near a bright window can make a huge difference. What makes basil special is how quickly it grows. Within just a few weeks, you'll start seeing lush, fragrant leaves ready to harvest. The secret most beginners miss is regular trimming. When you cut basil often, it actually grows bushier and produces even more leaves. If you leave it untouched, it becomes tall and weak. Water it when the topsoil feels dry, but avoid overwatering as basil hates soggy roots. Fresh basil instantly upgrades your cooking, from pasta and pizza to salads and sauces. Once you start harvesting your own, you'll never want store-bought again. It's the perfect plant to begin your kitchen garden journey. 2. Mint. If there's one plant that almost refuses to die, it's mint. This herb grows aggressively and adapts to different conditions, making it perfect for beginners. Even if you forget to water it occasionally, mint often bounces back quickly. It doesn't need intense sunlight either. Partial light works just fine. One important tip: always grow mint in its own pot. It spreads rapidly and can take over other plants if you're not careful. Trim it regularly to keep it under control and encourage fresh, tender leaves. Mint is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use it in teas, cold drinks, desserts, and even savory dishes. Plus, the refreshing aroma makes your kitchen smell amazing. Once you grow mint, you'll always have a fresh supply ready whenever you need it. 3. Green onions. Green onions are one of the most satisfying kitchen plants because you don't even need seeds to start. Just take the white root ends from store-bought onions, place them in a glass of water, and watch them regrow within days. It feels almost like magic. The best part is how fast they grow. In about a week, you'll have fresh green shoots ready to cut and use. After harvesting, they continue to regrow again and again, giving you an endless supply. For stronger growth, you can transfer them into soil after a few days. They require minimal care, just sunlight and occasional water changes if grown in water. Green onions are perfect for soups, stir-fries, and garnishes. This is one of the easiest ways to start gardening without spending any money at all. 4. Coriander. Coriander is a must-have for anyone who loves fresh, vibrant flavors in cooking. It grows quickly, but requires a bit more attention compared to mint or basil. The key is consistent watering and good sunlight. If the soil dries out too much, the plant can struggle. To get better results, lightly crush the seeds before planting. This helps them germinate faster and grow more evenly. Once the plant starts growing, you can begin harvesting the leaves regularly to encourage continuous production. Coriander adds a burst of freshness to dishes like soups, curries, and salads. While it might not be the easiest plant on this list, the flavor payoff is worth it. With a little care, you'll have a steady supply of fresh herbs right in your kitchen. 5. Chili peppers, small but powerful. Chili peppers bring both beauty and spice to your kitchen garden. These plants grow well in pots and produce vibrant fruits that can instantly elevate your meals. They do require more sunlight than most herbs, so placing them near a sunny window is essential. One thing to know is that chili plants take a bit longer to grow, but once they start producing, they can give you multiple harvests over time. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy, and occasionally feed the plant for better fruit production. From mild to super spicy varieties, growing your own chilies lets you control the heat level in your food. Plus, the colorful peppers make your kitchen look more lively and decorative. 6. Microgreens, 7-day harvest. If you want the fastest results possible, microgreens are the ultimate choice. These tiny plants grow from seeds and are harvested at an early stage, usually within 7 to 14 days. That means you can go from planting to eating in just 1 week. They don't require deep pots or complicated setups. A shallow tray, some soil, or even tissue, and a bit of water are enough.
Place them in a well-lit area and you'll see rapid growth almost daily. Microgreens are packed with nutrients, often more than fully grown plants. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies for a healthy boost. If you want instant success and quick satisfaction, this is the perfect plant to grow in your kitchen.
7. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is one of the easiest kitchen plants you can grow, and the best part is you can start it from leftover stalks. Instead of throwing them away, place the base of the stalk in a glass of water and watch roots begin to form within days. Once the roots are strong, transfer it into soil and it will continue growing into a tall, fresh plant. Lemongrass thrives in warm environments and loves sunlight, making it perfect for a bright kitchen window. It doesn't need constant attention, just keep the soil slightly moist and give it space to grow. In the kitchen, lemongrass adds a refreshing citrus flavor to soups, teas, and Asian dishes. It's not just useful, it also brings a tropical vibe to your home. This is a perfect example of turning kitchen waste into a continuous food source. 8. Thyme. If you want a plant that thrives on neglect, thyme is your best friend. This herb prefers dry conditions and doesn't need frequent watering, making it ideal for busy people or beginners who tend to overwater plants. Place it in a sunny spot and it will grow slowly but steadily. Thyme is compact, so it fits perfectly even in small kitchens or limited spaces. The key to success is well-draining soil. Too much moisture can harm the roots. Once established, thyme becomes very resilient and can last for a long time with minimal care. In cooking, thyme adds a deep, earthy flavor to meats, vegetables, and soups. Even a small amount can transform a dish. It's a quiet performer in your kitchen garden, but incredibly valuable when it comes to flavor. 9. Rosemary. Rosemary is a beautiful and aromatic plant that instantly upgrades your kitchen space. While it's slightly more challenging than other herbs, the reward is worth it. It needs plenty of sunlight and good airflow, so placing it near a bright window is essential. One common mistake is overwatering. Rosemary prefers drier soil, so always let the top layer dry out before watering again. It may grow slower at first, but once established, it becomes a strong and long-lasting plant. The fragrance of rosemary is incredible. It can make your entire kitchen smell fresh and calming. In cooking, it pairs perfectly with roasted dishes, meats, and even bread. Beyond its use, it also acts as a decorative plant, giving your kitchen a stylish, natural look. 10. Parsley. Parsley is one of the most underrated kitchen plants, yet it's incredibly useful. It grows well indoors with moderate sunlight and consistent watering. Unlike some herbs, parsley takes a bit longer to germinate, but once it starts growing, it produces steadily. To keep it healthy, trim the outer leaves regularly instead of cutting from the center. This encourages continuous growth and keeps the plant full and lush. It's also rich in nutrients, making it a healthy addition to your meals. Parsley works with almost everything: soups, salads, rice dishes, and garnishes. Having it fresh at home means you'll always have a quick way to enhance both flavor and presentation. It's simple, reliable, and a must-have for any kitchen garden. Now, you don't need a garden to grow your own food, just your kitchen. Start with 1 or 2 of these plants, and you'll be surprised how easy and addictive it becomes. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which plant are you starting first?